Buying a new car model can be out of reach for many buyers. On the other hand, a used car that's been well maintained could offer years of dependable service at a more affordable price point. Some vehicles are simply built to last, and many models easily cross the 200,000-mile mark. Here are 13 used cars worth considering, even if the odometer is already climbing. The Toyota Camry is easy and inexpensive to maintain. It has no major recurring issues and offers good fuel economy. Four-cylinder models average 22 to 25 miles per gallon in the city and 31 to 35 miles per gallon on the highway. With basic care, many Camrys exceed 200,000 miles. Known for reliability and comfort, the Honda Accord is also a fun car to drive. It offers two solid engine options. You may need a timing belt around 100,000 miles, but both engines can keep going past 200,000 miles with routine maintenance. Famous for its fuel efficiency, the Toyota Prius uses a 1.8-liter gasoline engine paired with an electric motor. The hybrid battery can last 150,000 to 250,000 miles, and replacements are more affordable than in earlier generations. The Subaru Outback is an all-wheel drive wagon that's rugged and capable. Many reach up to 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. Change fluids around every 60,000 miles and refresh the suspension after 150,000 miles. A standout among luxury SUVs, the Lexus RX 350 can often pass 200,000 miles with minimal issues. It uses a timing chain instead of a belt, cutting down on major engine maintenance. The Ford F-150's engine is a durable workhorse and commonly runs beyond 200,000 miles. And a bonus, maintenance and parts are generally affordable. The Honda CR-V is a dependable compact SUV. Its engine can easily go beyond 200,000 miles with consistent oil changes and occasional valve adjustments. The Toyota Tacoma is built to endure. The four-cylinder engine is simple and reliable, with many Tacomas passing 200,000 miles, some even 300,000 when properly maintained. Small but mighty, the 2002 Honda Fit, known in some markets as the Jazz, offers outstanding fuel economy and longevity. Many models surpass 200,000 miles with regular care. A classic full-size truck, the Silverado 1500 can exceed 250,000 miles with routine maintenance. It has a straightforward design and widely available parts, making repairs relatively simple. The Toyota Avalon features a reliable engine and a smooth ride. With a timing chain and comfortable interior, it often crosses the 300,000-mile threshold. The Volvo XC90 is a durable option with a focus on safety. It regularly lasts beyond 200,000 miles if properly cared for, thanks to its solid engineering and all-wheel drive. The Mazda 3 is sporty and efficient. Its engines are chain-driven and generally trouble-free. Regular fluid changes and rust prevention help these cars last well over 200,000 miles. A high-mileage car can still be a smart investment, especially if it's one of these proven, long-lasting models. Before buying, always check the car's service history and get a pre-purchase inspection to make sure you're getting a good deal on a reliable vehicle.